When using one of the social media templates, you are going to see that you have a blank template that has some empty spaces. These spaces are editable, which means you can edit them. You're also going to see in the white space around the template that there are these purple boxes with some text and an image. These purple boxes are placed near the items that you are going to edit, and they have a direction of what to do. And when you click on the image, you will be brought to a link that you're going to click on, and it will bring you to a video. So for example, this text box direction says add a profile image on the circles next to the username and where it says your story. Now, if you already know how to add an image into Google Slides, if you know exactly what I'm talking about, where the profile image is and where the username is in the story, then you can go ahead and do that. If you want some tips and tricks on how to do that and resize it and reshape it, then you're going to click this image to get the link that pops up and then watch the tutorial.